Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the moon? It may seem like a simple glowing object, but the moon is one of the most fascinating places in our solar system. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite and has been orbiting our planet for about 4.5 billion years. Scientists believe it formed when a Mars-sized object collided with the young Earth. The debris from that massive impact eventually came together to create the moon we see today. The moon is located about 384,400 kilometers, or 238,855 miles away from Earth. Although that sounds incredibly far, it is actually our closest neighbor in space. Light from the moon reaches Earth in just over 1 second. One of the most interesting facts about the moon is that it always shows the same side to Earth. This happens because the moon rotates on its axis at exactly the same rate that it orbits our planet. As a result, one side constantly faces Earth while the far side remained unseen until spacecraft photographed it. The moon's gravity is much weaker than Earth's. If you weigh 70 kilograms on Earth, you would weigh only about 12 kilograms on the moon. This is why astronauts were able to jump much higher during the Apollo missions. Speaking of astronauts, the moon is the only world beyond Earth that humans have ever visited. During the historic Apollo 11 moon landing mission in 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. His famous words were, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Millions of people around the world watch the event live on television. The surface of the moon is covered with craters created by asteroid impacts over billions of years. Since the moon has almost no atmosphere, these craters remain visible for extremely long periods. Some of them are hundreds of kilometers wide. Temperatures on the moon are extreme. During the lunar day, temperatures can reach about 127 degrees Celsius or 260 degrees Fahrenheit. At night, they can drop to minus 173 degrees Celsius or minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists have also discovered water ice in permanently shadowed craters near the moon's poles. This discovery is important because future astronauts may be able to use this water for drinking, growing plants, and even producing rocket fuel. Today, many space agencies are planning new missions to the moon. Organizations like NASA and others hope to build long-term bases there. These bases could serve as stepping stones for future missions to Mars and beyond. Even though humans first stepped on the moon more than half a century ago, it still holds many mysteries. Every night, when you look up and see the moon shining above you, remember that it is not just a beautiful object in the sky. It is a world filled with history, science, and possibilities that may shape the future of space exploration.